Good afternoon. In this lecture, we are going to discuss septic tank. So, we do prefer septic tank where the main sewer line of the city has not been reached, where there is no any drainage system at that time for treatment of wastewater. We do prefer septic tank. Septic tank is a primary sedimentation tank. It has a longer detention period for 12 to 36 hours. Digestion or treatment of wastewater in septic tank takes place due to settling of sludge. In this treatment unit, it is covered with the RCC lid. So, septic tank, we know that septic tank has a cover. So, here anaerobic decomposition takes place. While anaerobic decomposition takes place, foul gases gets generated. But as it is covered from the top, we have kept a high vent for escape of gases. Here I have I have explained in a schematic representation. Here it is a inlet of wastewater. There is an outlet at the extreme end. There is a baffle wall. The arrangement is done so that suspended solids gets settled down in one compartment and your wastewater goes in another compartment. It is a septic tank is a continuous flow sedimentation tank where the flow is kept horizontally in direction. Inlet, we are providing wastewater, and outlet we are supposed to give at soak pits. In the septic tank, 60 to 70 percentage of dissolved matters gets removed. In outlet and inlet arrangement, baffle gets extended up to top level of scum, and inlet it gets penetrate 30 centimeter below top sewage line. Detention period for septic tank is 12 to 36 hours. Mostly we do prefer as a 24 hours. Means in a one day we are providing the detention period. Length by width ratio. As we have discussed earlier, septic tank is a horizontal flow sedimentation tank. So it is rectangular in the shape. We are preferring length equals to 2 to 3 times of width. A width should be more than 90 centimeter, and depth of the tank we are providing as 1.2 to 1.8 centimeter. This is plan and elevation of septic tank. Here raw sewage is allowed to come inside. This is a baffle wall and this is an outlet of a sewage. If we are going to observe the plan, then we can easily understand that there are two compartments. In one compartment settling takes place, and in another compartment the supernatant wastewater is allowed to come, and outlet is supposed to give to the soak pit. Today we are going to stop over here. In the next lecture we will study the problem or design of septic tank. Thank you.